In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can deep clean your hairbrushes in just 1 minute, using only a few simple items that you probably already have lying around your house right now. Over time, hairbrushes become incredibly nasty and disgusting. Dust particles, residue from hair products, dead skin cells, dandruff, grease from your scalp, and unpleasant odors all get trapped and stuck in the bristles. The good news is that hairbrushes can be cleaned easily and quickly with this simple method that requires minimal effort and no expensive cleaning products whatsoever. First, we're going to take a pen. We are going to carefully run the pen straight up through the middle of the hairbrush, sliding it underneath all the tangled hair that has collected in the bristles. This step helps to lift and separate the hair from the base of the brush. Then take a pair of scissors and carefully cut the hair that is already lifted and sticking out in half, right down the middle. Be careful not to cut the actual bristles of the brush itself, just the accumulated hair. Next, grab both halves of the cut hair and pull them out completely from the hairbrush. You'll be amazed at how much hair comes out, especially if you haven't cleaned your brush in weeks or months. Now we are going to clean the brush thoroughly from all the remaining residues, product buildup, and dirt that the hair removal didn't take care of. Take a glass container or bowl that's large enough to fit your hairbrush comfortably and fill it completely with warm water. Not too hot, but warm enough to help break down oils and product residue effectively. Add approximately 2 tablespoons of regular shampoo to the water. Any shampoo works great for this because it's specifically designed to break down oils, dirt, and product buildup from hair. Mix the water and shampoo together thoroughly until they're completely integrated and you see some bubbles forming. This soapy solution will help remove all the stubborn dirt and grime easily and efficiently. Now take your hair brushes and dip them completely into the soapy water mixture, making sure the bristles are fully submerged in the solution. Using an old toothbrush or small cleaning brush, scrub the bristles vigorously for about 1 minute, making sure to get into all the tight spaces between the bristles where dirt loves to hide. Scrub until the brush is completely clean. Finally, rinse the hairbrush thoroughly with clean, fresh water to remove all soap residue, and dry it completely with a clean cloth or towel. Pat it dry gently and let it air dry completely with the bristles facing down, so water doesn't collect in the base. Your hairbrush will look completely renewed, refreshed, and like brand new again. If you found this helpful, please share with someone who needs to see this too, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video.